Roswell Spacewalk in Roswell, New Mexico. It's all like black light. That is cool. Look, there's flying cows. That is cool.
Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station. Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station. Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station.
Follow the footprints. Alright, let's follow the footprints. Oh, cool. It's like Sasquatch.
The scariest picture about
See? No. Yeah, it's the worst when you think you're taking a picture of something and you flip it around and you're like, ah, I wasn't expecting that. It's okay. Hi. Yeah? Whoa.
This way, humanoids.
This way, humanoid. She's hiding in the bush.
This way, humanoids.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at that alien.
Delicious humans.
He's a real man eater. I love what he did with his hair. Is that a horn?
I think it's over.
He's horny for you. He's horny for you. It's okay. Well, that's a little alien up there. Yeah, I didn't see the green one. Like hieroglyphs on the wall.
They've seen too much.
That's a bad thing to happen. He could be on Grimm. Grimm or one of the Supernatural. I give up. right there. Ooh. Oh, wait, you get a picture there. You get the one behind you? With a space alien gun?